Gallbladder meridian starts from the corner of our eyes and it goes from the ear to the head and then return back from the side of the ear to the head, forehead, and then return back to the forehead. Because it is a young meridian, so it will move from top to bottom. From the back of our shoulder, it returns to the chest area, and from the chest it goes to the abdomen area, and from the back it moves to our thighs, and then it goes up to our last second toe. So in this way gallbladder meridian ends at the second toe. It is GV44 bladder meridian, which is a young meridian, and it have total 44 points in it. It starts from just corner of the eye, GB1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way you can see over here all the points: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. In this way this goes straight up to the GB44, means second toe of our feet. So up to here we have total 44 points in gallbladder meridian. Now I am going to explain you about the 5 element point of this meridian, means 5 shoe point. GB44 is the metal point, GB43 is the water point, GB41 is the own point of gallbladder, because gallbladder and liver is the wood meridian we can say, or wind meridian too. And then GB38 is the fire point, and GB34 is the earth point and most important point. Maximum of diseases related to gallbladder we give this point GB34. So here I have explained you all the 5 points of gallbladder meridian, 5 element point or 5 shoe point. GB44 is the metal point, GB43 is the water point, GB41 is the own point of gallbladder, that is wood point, GB38 is the fire point, and GB34 is the earth point. Now the next meridian will be the last meridian, and that is liver meridian, which is the impaired organ of the gallbladder. Thank you.